Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cleaning solution to your Dreame L60 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the L60, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop those links in the video description. So on the station itself right here, we have a removable cover. We got to go ahead and pop that cover off. It just pulls right out, and that's going to reveal our cleaning solution tank on the left side of the station. So there's a nice built-in handle. It just says pull, and you can gently pull that out of the station, revealing the top cover where you can add your new cleaning solution. In this case, the L60 Pro Ultra comes with Dreame's multi-surface floor cleaner, where you're just going to go ahead, pop off the lid here. You're going to pour it in there and press that lid back down, slot it right back in. Take the cover with the 3 tabs up at the top. It's only going to fit one way. And there you go. Now the cover's back on, solution's installed, and you're ready to go.